Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at the phrasal verb take up. Take up? Yeah, take up. It's a phrasal verb with seven different meanings. What? 2 words, 7 different meanings. How can that be? Well, my friend, you have come to the right channel because here we're going to try to make sense of at least 3 of them, and then on the next video we'll do the rest of the 4, okay? I'm SL Rockfish, you're joining us here, and I hope you're a subscriber. If not, just hit subscribe. If you're returning, yay you, thank you so much, I appreciate it. Come on, let's get started. Take up, like I said, has 7 definitions, but we're only going to look at 3 today because we're taking a little bit at a time, okay? Take up means to start something. I want to take up yoga. That means I want to begin yoga, want to learn how to do it. I want to take up yoga. You don't have to put yoga, you could put anything. I want to take up Chinese, I want to take up Portuguese. Put in whatever you want to take up, something you want to begin to do. Take up also means to fill in particular space and time. This board does not take up a lot of space. Got it? Or we could say, yoga doesn't take up space, but it does take up time. It means it will take me some time to do it, so it takes up my time. Then, take up, to accept a challenge or offer. She asked me to take her up on her offer. Got it? Yeah, and sometimes we just put it in the middle. Take her up. Or, will you take up the challenge of learning a new language in 5 days? I mean, who can do that? But take up is to accept a challenge or an offer. Will you take me up on the offer? Got it? So, take up to start something, take up to fill in a particular space or time, and take up to accept a challenge or offer. Why are there 3 definitions for the same 2 words? I don't know, but now you can read and understand these sentences. My friend asked me, whoa. No, you can't.